hey there! So yeah, this is me trying to talk to you, but it's way too windy and I'd rather not destroy your ears. Anyway, today we are visiting one of my current favorite museums in Tokyo, TeamLab Borders. I think I spent around 3 hours there, maybe more. I honestly had way too much fun. Everything changes as you walk. Just stop for a second and you will see new colors surrounding you. It's honestly kind of magical. When you get to the ocean room, you can even add your own personal touch. I mean, if you tell me I can draw, of course I'm gonna draw. Look at her, isn't she so cute? And now here she is swimming around with her little friends. I love it. I wanted to see the Sky Tree Tower of Tokyo, and I know it was not far from the TeamLab Museum, and I just have to walk like 2 minutes and look at what I see. Welcome to Fuchu, just 20 kilometers from Tokyo. We are here to check out the Kurayami Matsuri, also known as the Festival of Shadows. Since the festival lasts several days, You can head to Okinitama Shrine during the day to grab some food, play festival games, check out the taiko drums, or even say a quick prayer before coming back at night for the main event. The word Kurayami means darkness in Japanese. The name came from the old tradition of holding the festival at night. Back then, people believed the gods were too sacred to be seen, so the whole celebration took place in the dark as a sign of respect. This festival has been around for over 1,000 years, making it one of the oldest in Japan.
I have no idea what they are saying, but it looks fun. There is so much people, this is crazy.
These days, the main events still happen after sunset, which give the whole thing a really unique and mysterious vibe.
Change of plan because I wanted to see the Azalea garden. I am not lucky since there is no more access to the garden, so that's okay. At least I see the shrine around and I really love it. So I try my luck. I'm going to another garden, so let's go.
the Tokyo National Museum in Ueno Park. It's actually the oldest museum in Japan, and yeah, it's huge. If you're even a little bit into Japanese history or art, this place is totally worth checking out. The main exhibition covers traditional Japanese culture and there is a bit of everything. Samurai armor, swords, pottery, kimonos, scrolls, tattoo. It's like walking through Japanese history all in one place. And everything is super well presented, which makes it easy to just wander around.